Now let us take an example for weighted factor analysis in terms of like your facility planning and clarify the concept with the help of this illustration. We have a clothing retail chain and they have shortlisted 2 locations as potential candidate sites for the new store. The evaluation of the 2 sites with respect to the new few critical factors is given below. The highest score actually indicates a better site. So factors with their weights, just assume that these weights are coming from AHP technique. You have that technique with you. So if you want to elicit weights, we can use that AHP technique. That's a very common and important technique for eliciting weights. We just assume that we have the weights with us right now. So the factor is population base and the weight is 8. And income potential has a weight of 7. Availability of mass transit has a weight of 3. Number of competing stores weight 6. Parking space 7. And the least weight is actually the least weight is for the availability of mass transit, and after that land and construction cost has a weight of 5. So the less the weight is, the higher the. So one thing would be coming into your mind that AHP actually allocates the weights and they normalize it. It is one thing. If you don't normalize it, it's fine as well. So these are the non-normalized weights. If it has been normalized weight, all the weights should add up to 1. It doesn't matter. Just remember, ये याद रखिएगा इन weights को. अगर आप AHP पे कर रहे हैं और normalize कर लेते तो वो भी result वैसा ही आएगा जो अभी आ रहा है. Normalize ना भी करें तो the results would not be that different. Then site 1, we have different important weights for it. For site 1, it is population base, it has 5. For site 2, for population base, it has 7, and so on. Now, determine the best facility for locating the store. What we need to do, we need to find the weighted rating. Weighted rating would be done in this fashion. Let's say for site 1, it is 5. What we need to do, we need to multiply this 5 with 8. So it would be 40 weighted rating. For income potential, it would be 7 into 7. That would be 49, and so on. So the total weighted rating for site 1 is 210, whereas the weighted rating for site 2 is 192. We have said that the higher score actually indicates the better one. So the store site 1 would be. Why? Because it has a higher weighted rating. Did you get the point? The highest weighted rating will actually give you the best site. So in this case, we have actually 2 sites. There could be numerous sites. There could be more than 7, 8 or 10 sites. Then you have to compute it as well. So weighted ratings, weights आपके पास कहाँ से आए हैं वो मैंने आपको बता दिया. There is a subjective way of finding the weights. There is an objective way of finding the weights. If you are using the objective way, then objective way would be AHP. It is being found by AHP, then weights would be normalized. आप आखिरी step ना करें AHP में, the weights would be non-normalized. वो normalized नहीं होंगे. तरीका यही है. अगर इस तरह weights लेना चाह रहे हैं, results पे कोई बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं आएगा. Results differ नहीं करेंगे. Site 1 ही select होगी अगर आप इसको normalize भी कर लेते हैं weights को. But the point is, अगर non-normalized weights भी हैं, तो it doesn't matter. So the example actually clearly gave the concept of a very basic concept of weighted factor rating from the different factors which Ghosh et al. Actually they actually pointed out those important factors, and they are a very good point for actually looking at your facility site and looking at those factors and then determining the weights for those factors in order to find your new facility. Thank you.